Everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel under the Plums of free UPSC series. So Plums is prelims level up MCQ series. On daily basis 5 MCQs will be dealt. Today is Saturday, so we are going to deal MCQs related to math, aptitude and reasoning. So we have taken 5 MCQs from the recent 2023 CSAT paper belonging to math and aptitude and reasoning. So let's solve today's question. So before solving today's questions, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates and for having access to the free content which is already uploaded in the channel. And if you have any queries regarding the test series, or if you have any queries regarding the foundational videos, you can call to this number, that is 7200681675. So with this note, let's start the video. So first question of today is, how many distinct 8-digit numbers can be formed by rearranging the digits of the number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 such that odd digits occupy odd positions and even digits occupy even position. So this is easier question itself. So there are 8-digit number. So it is 8-digit number. So we have to form the 8-digit number by putting odd digits in the odd places, even digits in the even places. What are the odd digits given? 1, 1, 3, 3 are the odd digits. 2, 2, 4, 4 are the even digits. So there are 4 even places. There are 4 odd places. So in order to fill 4 odd places in the odd numbers in the odd places, what is the thing? 4 factorial. And to fill 4 even places in the even numbers in the even places, that is nothing but 4 factorial by, okay, 1 second, 4 factorial into 4 factorial by, so 1 is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial, 2 is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial, 3 is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial, and 4 is repeated 2 times. So if you solve this equation, 4 factorial is nothing but 24. 4 is a 12, 12 is a 24, 24 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you solve this equation, you will get it as 2 ones are 2 12s are 2 ones are 2 6 are. In the same way, 2 ones are 2 12s are 2 ones are 2 6 are. 6 into 6 is nothing but 36. So option C is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. So now let's solve MCQ number 2. 3 of the 5 positive integers P, Q, R, S, T are even and 2 of them are odd, not necessarily in order. Consider the following equation. So before solving this question, I wanted to ask you whether you know when even number is added by even number, what will be the resultant? Please pause the video and comment in the comment box. And other question is, odd plus odd, when you add odd number in odd number plus odd number, what will be the resultant number, whether it will be the even number or odd number? So these two questions, please pause the video and comment in the comment box. Okay, I hope so you have commented. So odd number plus odd number will be the resultant number will be also even. Even plus even also, the resultant number will be even. Okay. So even minus even also, resultant number will be even most of the cases. So if you have a doubt, you can take any number. If you take 6 minus 4, the resultant number is 2. 2 is also even. 4 minus 2, resultant number is even. So even minus even is also even. So by using this method, let's solve this question. So the first equation is given as P plus Q plus R minus S minus T. So if you are taking, in the given question, they have given that out of P, Q, R, S, T, we have to take 3 numbers as even, 2 numbers as odd. This solution, you can do it by assuming some numbers also. So in the place of P, you can assume number. In the place of Q, you can assume some number. Similarly with R, S, T also. But I am here using the technique and I am solving without assuming any numbers. So if I am taking P, Q, R as even numbers, the resultant even plus even plus even is nothing but even. So if you are taking minus as common, S plus T. So S plus T, if I am taking it as odd, odd plus odd is nothing but odd. So odd plus odd is nothing but even. Even minus even. So the resultant will be even minus even. Even minus even is also even. So first statement is right. First statement is right because they have given it is definitely even. So first statement is right. Now let's solve statement number 2. Statement 2 is given as 2P plus Q plus 2R minus 2S plus T. Okay, if I am taking P as even, what you will get? The resultant also will be even. Even if you take P as odd also. 2 into odd number is also even number itself. So but I am taking P as even, the resultant will be even. So Q as odd, R as even, S as even, and T as odd. Okay, odd plus odd is nothing but odd. Even plus even plus even is nothing but even. Sorry, odd plus odd is also even. So even plus even is nothing but even. But they have given it as odd. So statement 2 is wrong answer. Here I forgot to type the options. So option A is nothing but 1 only. Option B is nothing but 2 only. Option C is both 1 and 2. Option D is neither 1 nor 2. Okay. Here we have got it as 1 only. So option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. What is the remainder if 2 power 192 is divided by 6? Okay. 2 power 192 divided by 6. So in this type of questions, what we have to do is, we have to take power in the terms of denominator. So if you take 2 as 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 power 192 by 6. If you solve this equation, what will be the remainder? So if you elongate this equation, if you like, for example, a minus b whole square, what will be the resultant? A square minus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A is there in the first term, A is there in the third term also. A is only not there in the second term. In the same way, if you solve this equation, 6 minus 4 power 192 by 6. So 6 will be there in all the terms except 4 power 192. Okay. So 6 is there in, as 6 is there in all the terms, 6 by 6 remainder will be however 0. So we have to find minus 4 power 192 by 6. This remainder. The remainder of minus 4 power 192 by 6 is something which we have to find out. So if you take 192, for example, I wanted to tell you one method. 1 second. So 4 power 1 is nothing but 4. 4 power 2 is nothing but 16. 4 power 3 is nothing but 32. 4 power 4 is nothing but, so here we'll get it as 64. Okay. So 4 power 3 is nothing but 16 for the 64. Okay. 64. 4 power 4 is nothing but, it is 16 16 is 256. Okay, 4 power 4 is nothing but 256. What is happening over here? If you take 4 power 5, you will get it as, again the unit digit will be 4. Okay, what is happening over here? 4, 6, 4, 6. It is repeating. Okay, it is repeating. In the same way, what we have to do over here is 2 power 4 into 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 4 8. So 192 can be written as minus 4 power 4 into 48 by 6. Okay, it is 4 into n. Minus 4 power 4 into n by 6. So I am taking 40 as n. So n is nothing but, so whether you take 1 or 2 or 3 or any number in the place of n, the remainder will be same. So we have to find 4 power 4 by 6 remainder. Okay, the remainder of 4 power 4 by 6. 4 power 4 is nothing but 256. 256 by 6 remainder is 6 4s are 24. 6 are 12 and 4 will be the remainder. So 4 is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. There are 3 traffic signals. Each signal changes color from green to red and then red to green. The first signal takes 25 seconds, the second signal takes 39 seconds and the third signal takes 60 seconds to change the color from green to red. Okay. From changing to green to red, it is taking the things which are given in the question as, the first signal takes 25 seconds and the second signal takes 39 seconds and the third signal takes 60 seconds. The data is given from green to red. Again the red changes to green, right? The red again will change to, for 1 second, green, red and green. Okay, first green will change to red, again red will change to green. Okay, the data is given for this particular part. And the same things happen for this particular part also, because they are given that to change the color from green to red, the durations for green and red colors are same. As they have given it as same, we have to take this particular part and this particular part as same. Okay, in order to find the correct time at which three of them will have the same thing, we have to find the LCM of the given data. What is the LCM of the given data? The given data is nothing but the first signal takes 25 seconds and the second signal takes 39 seconds and the third signal takes 60 seconds. We have to find the LCM of this particular thing. So if you find the LCM of this particular thing, you will get it as 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 0, 25 remains, 5 fives are 25, 13 remains, 5 fours are 20. So if you find the LCM, you will get it as 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 100 into 13 3s are 39. So 3900 is the LCM of this three numbers. So 3900. So this 3900 is in the seconds. So if you want to convert into hours, you will get it as by 60. 6 6 are 36, 6 5 are 30. It takes 65 minutes. Okay, it takes 65 minutes. So as per the given data, first it will be in the red color and it will change to, first it will be in the green color, it will change to red, and after that again from red it will change to green. It takes 65 minutes to change from green to red, and again it takes 65 minutes to change from red to green. They asked in the question, in order to change from green to green, how much time it takes after 2 p.m. So 65 plus 65 is nothing but 2 hours 10 minutes, right? 60 plus 60 is 2 hours plus 10 minutes. So 2 p.m. plus 2 hours 10 minutes is nothing but 4 hours 10 minutes. That is 4:10 p.m. is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. A principal P becomes Q in 1 year when compounded half yearly. Let's write the data. So the principal P becomes Q in 1 year if it is compounded half yearly at the rate of interest of R%. In the second case, they have given it the principal P becomes Q in 1 year if it is compounded 1 yearly at S%. We have to find the relationship between R and S. So in the option, they have given the relationship between R and S. Here I'll tell you a simple concept. Whenever the same principal is compounded for the same rate of interest, the resultant will be at the same rate of interest. If the same principal is compounded, if it is compounded 1 yearly, it will have less amount than if it is compounded half yearly. So if it is compounded quarterly, it will have more amount than if it is compounded half yearly. So here I will tell you one thing. So if it is compounded half yearly, it will be definitely the resultant amount at same rate of interest and its same principal amount will be greater than if it is compounded 1 yearly. And if it is compounded quarterly, it will be more than if it is compounded half yearly. But in the given question, the rate of interest is different, but the resultant is same. In order to get resultant same, definitely the rate of interest used for 1 year should be greater than the rate of interest used for the half year. So S should be greater than R. So S is greater than R is correct answer, and it's there in the option number C. So option number C is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. I hope so you have understood today's questions. They are little typical, I agree. But if you practice from starting itself for the next year, definitely you can solve this type of questions also. Only with the practice you can solve mathematics, aptitude and reasoning questions with ease in the examination hall. So don't neglect that. This is only one suggestion that I can give you from my side. So thank you everyone. Let's meet in the next episode. Until then, stay tuned. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.